Okay, come on.
You hit the hat with your bomb.
Got this.
Are you serious?
I don't like the cat.
You said you wanted the cat last time.
No, I don't. Dude.
Wow.
Don't go for it.
Shit. Damn it.
Wow. I just kinked my neck. Keenan, I just kinked my neck big time. Yeah, go for Keenan. Go for Keenan.
Freaking cats.
Oh my gosh. I just seriously jacked up my neck.
Doing what?
I died, Keenan!
Oh my gosh. You're so lucky I can save your ass. That freaking, like, what am I supposed to do if it's coming right to me?
Oh my gosh. Okay, you don't have a special yet, bro.
I'll get one.
Here we go. This mofo's easy. Some of the ghosts are freaking...
Oh my gosh, no! Ah! Ah, ghost! I'm dead.
I got you. Don't you worry about a thing. Dude, I think if you go all the way up... Oh, no. Oh, Keenan! Shit! Dude, it should be where, like, if you have a special full, it could, like, revive you.
Yeah, the special's like an extra life. Damn.
You went straight into the ghost.
Shut up.
Dude, we're only halfway. A good thing, though, is the last one looks easy.
We can't get hurt
Or not easy, but short. It's nearly impossible when you got the gato.
Freaking cats, get off my back.
Oh my gosh! Maybe
So
we should
stay
just
together?
purely avoid the cat. No, because then we can't predict. Shit! More come out after it's separate! That's bullcrap!
Oh, you got hurt once, you got hurt twice. Damn. Damn, those things are moving fast.
Here we go. Oh, I almost died. Oh, shit!
Oh, shit.
I thought there were only 3. Okay, we're both almost at special. Here we go.
Ah! I don't like the ghosts that move really fast.
No, I don't either. I honestly think this guy's the easiest one, if we just time it right with moving underneath the planets. Are you like just staring blankly at one spot of the screen and trying to pay attention to everything?
I'm trying to just pay attention to the planets and keep pressing X and press Y when the planets come. And
gosh.
look out for ghosts.
We both crashed into the planet.
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating too. My hands are slipping. Here we go. Here we go. Keenan, this is...
Here, you're going up? Are we separating or... We're not even shooting, we're just...
well, it's hard!
No, I'm not like blaming you.
You stay down.
You don't get offended. Jeez.
Oh, you can use RB to switch.
Oh, you can shoot when you're little?
Yeah. If you use RB... Shit.
Oh, you can move way fast
Shit.
with RB. Wow.
Keenan, I'm gone.
Oh, except your attack's a lot shorter distance.
A lot shorter. Good luck, Keenan. You know how mad I'm gonna be if you make it? Again? Ooh, you almost died. Oh, you're dead. Troll. Troll. Here we go. This is the one, Keenan. Would you focus?
I'm freaking focused. Oh, this is easy. Oh, shit.
You laugh at me. Oh.
Whenever I laugh at you, I get hurt.
Keenan.
I don't think you can die at the very beginning, my friend.
I can, and I did. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Of course.
Oh!
I feel like the saws are always right in the place you need to go.
Yeah, they go towards you.
Okay, Keenan, this is where we hold out. This is where we pull out. No, nothing.
Sorry, wait. This is where we make like a baby and head out?
Yeah.
Damn, mother shit.
Or we make like a guaranteed non-pregnancy and pull out.
And pull out?
Never mind.
How's that a guaranteed mom pregnancy?
You pull out.
So how's that a guaranteed pregnancy if you pull out?
A guaranteed non.
Oh, non-pregnancy.
Never mind.
You said a guaranteed mom pregnancy.
Mom?
Yeah, I didn't understand.
No, that would be the whole dude.
Whole thing?
Okay, focus! Focus.
I'm focused. Look, I'm freaking...
Dude, you almost died.
Look at me up here. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this dedication.
You're gonna get killed.
No, I'm like in a spot where nothing can hit me. Look at this. Oh, shit.
Hey, Keenan. I can't get you.
I know!
I think I've only got like one hope. Would you cheer me on, bro? Come on.
Come on, bro. You got this,
This is
man.
it.
Come on.
For once, be positive about me.
Kill Pinocchio right now. He's got
This
the weird
gets
hat
easier
thing.
if it's just me, right?
Maybe? Okay, kill Pinocchio. Don't hit his hat again.
Yeah! Headshot.
Yeah, I just noticed the Pinocchio guy is a Cuphead.
Is he?
Yeah, he has a straw.
What?
It shoots a machine gun and...
How are you supposed to avoid that? Dude, look how much further I got than you. Okay, bro.
Is that the first time you've ever done that?
I think we try this one more time.
That's pretty cool.
What?
That's the first time you've ever gotten farther than me.
You're a dick.
The freaking cats can go so...
Dude, more cats exit the half cats after they've separated. Barely made alive. Look at that!
Yeah.
Look at that!
Right.
It's garbage!
That is some bullshit.
Look! Is that just a timed one, or do we actually have to kill him?
No idea.
That one might just be like one where we avoid.
See, like that.
What, the saw's going
Yeah.
right where you need to go?
I'm gonna save you.
Thank you, bro!
No, I'm gonna die! No!
I got you. We're cheating the game. Here we go. Okay. This is where you don't die. Remember, RB makes it easier to go small.
You can shoot, too.
Oh my gosh, all the squeakies are giving me a headache.
Damn.
You don't want to go under the planets when it goes big. That's what she said.
We should have bought the extra health.
Why? Then...
Shit.
No! You're not dying!
You're not dying on me, bro!
I thought you just died again.
I thought I did, too.
Kaden!
We can't even get past this damn part.
Yeah, we can. We've made it past several times. Keenan! Keenan! This is it! This is it! Hell yeah! Okay,
each
we
have a
both
bomb,
have
right?
specials.
Don't hit his hat again. Holy
Okay,
shit.
I won't. I won't. Should we go when he starts shooting or now? Go now. Go now. You go, then I go.
Don't hit his hat. If you hit his hat, holy freak. I'm gonna be so freaking...
What has the machine gun? Keenan!
Dude, you were
I didn't know I was back!
You were way up next to him.
I didn't know I was back. You got this, bro. Bro, I believe in you. He's got a machine gun that shoots up and down.
I know. Damn.
You suck.
You just said I had this.
Look how close
if
we
get
were.
past the Pinocchio.
Okay, bro.
Oh, my neck is...
We got one more shot. We got one more shot, and I think I'm gonna need a break.
Hey, it's
'Kay.
swords. It's swords. Just... Damn.
Nice. You're supposed to parry. Yeah, now we're... Got it!
Damn it, I got hit.
Good job. Dude, okay. I think that one's just timed. I don't think we... Well, maybe we should hit him. Maybe that'll help in the long run. Frickin' saw blade.
Oh. Oh.
Dude, this is so nerve frickin' wracking. My neck is still kinked.
My neck is killing me here now. No.
Dude, I still have 3 health. What are you
You've been
doing?
Awesome.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I think this is the quietest I've ever been.
Oh no! I know we're not talking at all.
Shit. Shit.
Is that your first health that you lost?
Yeah. No, I think I lost one in the beginning. But I'm like trying to focus. I don't think the ghosts can hit you, even with their head, when you get up on the top.
Oh shit, Morgan.
I got you, bro.
The freaking ghost was coming at me and I hit him a ton and he didn't die.
I know, the
fast
ghosts don't
ghost.
die very quick, so
It's the
I
fast
just
ghost.
I just avoid them at all cost.
This guy's not
There we go.
dying very quick. This
He
time.
never dies very quick.
There we
Okay, bro. We both got specials.
Okay, should
You
we
go
wait till he
first.
has
You
the
go
gun?
first. Maybe.
Should I hit him and then you hit him when he has the gun?
Sure. Let's do that.
Okay, I'll hit him now then.
Pinocchio, no!
Yeah, it's some bitch, Pinocchio. See your nose grow now, bastard.
I'm going.
Okay, just don't get.
Are you kidding me? Here we go.
Oh damn! That's hot. Okay, look out for the black.
Yeah, I'm watching out.
Do you have a bomb now?
Oh, dang it, I lost another health. Oh, shit, Keenan!
Oh, look out for the pyramid thing. Can we go in his hands?
Yeah, I think we can go in his hands.
Those things
Oh.
are gonna shoot. What did I... Where
what
do you
the
go?
hell are we supposed to... Keenan! Look how
So
close!
should we save the bomb for this part?
Maybe.
Okay, we taking a break?
But look... I don't know, look how close we... I'm super sweaty. Should we... maybe we'll call it for now. For now! We will be back, motherfucker! And we will kill your genie ass face.
Genie.
Ah. Dude.
Oh, itchy. Why am I so itchy?
This game makes my throat bleed.
Cupheads.
Dickheads.
Freaking dickheads.